How about low pass, huh? Right.
Gonna do a low pass?
Right.
Too fast.
Yeah, somebody need to slow it down. Who is it?
His motor is very, what's that, his battery is better than mine. Right, calm down. Yeah, down. Yeah. Very good battery, huh? Yes.
All right, can both of y'all give a nice low pass?
Inverse, did you get that? Did you get that inverse? No?
What's that?
Inverse. Take it. You took it?
I don't know who's who.
Si no le da vuelta no puede subir.
Me? Are you talking about me?
No, me.
What did you do? Okay, I'm landing. No virus.
I get his favorite.
Only 4 minutes.
You're on video, do it right.
That's right, man.
Very nice landing.
Nice landing.
Huh?
It's nice.
See that?
Yeah.
That battery is good. You know, everything is the same in my airplane. The motor.
The setup and everything. Yeah,
Just battery is different.
he run a nice battery in there.
Yeah, that battery is good.
He run a, what's that, 4-cell?
No, 3 cell, but
That's a 3 cells that's running like that?
my battery is very old now. You know, old. Very low. That was good.
That will go to the trees, forget about it. Coming out to the other side, just the battery.
Coming down?
Go close again.
You coming out that hot? You coming out hot?